and welcome to this video which aims to help you get the best use out of our camera. First of all, our camera is a plug-and-play device. This means that one camera may be used for several operating theatres. To install the camera, simply turn the collect ring until the marker is aligned with the open padlock symbol. Then, firmly hold the Lightroom with one hand and install the camera in the center, making sure the security buttons are aligned. To lock the camera in place, simply turn it a notch to the right so that the marker is facing the closed padlock symbol. You may then add a sterilizable hand for sterile processing staff utilization. Once the camera is attached to the light, the wall-mounted panel will light up and you may control the camera remotely. To switch the camera on or put it on standby, simply press the on-off button. For a multi-camera configuration, you may click on the camera symbol to select which camera you wish to control. The wall-mounted panel background will then change color to indicate which camera you are controlling. Here, the wall-mounted panel background color is blue. This means I'm controlling the camera connected to the blue light. As for the functions, the wall-mounted panel is arranged around a hexagon, which will allow you to modify 4 video settings: zoom, focus, white balance, and exposure. You may then change each setting using the plus or minus buttons as well as the auto button. The small triangular cursor shows you the setting selected. Here, for example, we have selected the zoom setting. By pressing plus or minus, we will be able to adjust the camera zoom. To change the setting, simply click on the hexagon symbol and the cursor will move to the second function, focus, then white balance, and finally exposure. Focus allows me to adjust image focus and sharpness. I can adjust it manually using the plus and minus buttons, or I can set it to automatic mode using the auto button. The white balance setting changes the white color intensity according to a camera color temperature of 3400 or 5600 Kelvin. This may equally be adjusted in manual or automatic mode. Finally, exposure modifies the image contrast in both manual or automatic mode. You may choose to memorize the camera control settings at any time by pressing and holding the M for memory button. When you need to recall these memorized settings, simply press the memory button to recover all saved control settings. You may also need to pause the filmed image in order to explain certain examples on the screen. This may be done using the freeze button, symbolized by a snowflake. Once the procedure is over, you can very easily disconnect the camera from the light by pressing on the security button and turning the camera a notch until the marker is facing the open padlock. You can then replace the sterilizable hand adapter to return to a simple lighting configuration. I hope this video has been of use to you, and please don't hesitate to watch our other tutorials on our YouTube channel.